There's a million different reasons why I love you, and I'm sure that I could find a million more. There's not a single thing that I would change about you. You're picture perfect just the way you are. So show me every mark and every scar, 'cause I want you and all your flaws. If you're looking for perfection, take a look at your reflection, 'cause I got mine, but I want yours. When you feel like you ain't beautiful, just remember I'm in love with all your flaws. I know sometimes you feel like you were worthless, but I wish that you could see you through my eyes. You're amazing in your heart out to the surface. Don't cover up the pain you feel inside, 'cause you can tell me anything, I promise.
Thank you. Caroline William Brick. Caroline William Brick. To be my wife. To be my wife. From the state of it.
I, Caroline William Buleva,
Take you, Kiara.
take you Kiawa Tanyera
To be my husband.
to be my husband
From the state.
from this day.
Caroline William Brick. Single woman. Single woman. There's a sign that's sign you.
Things that I just really love about you.
Kiawa, I give you this ring
It's a symbol of my love.
as the symbol of my love,
It is a sign
and as a sign
of the vows
of the vows we made together.
we will signify
May it forever signify
the vows we have.
the love we have for each other.
Take a look at your reflection, 'cause I got mine, but I want yours.
To now pronounce you husband and wife.
Just remember I'm in love with all your flaws. I want you and all your flaws. I want you.
Family and friends, I invite you now to join me and give you warmest congratulations to the newly married couple. Congratulations.
When you're tired and